Hola, and welcome to Kim at Home. How are you doing today? Yes, I'm kind of waiting for you to answer. Please leave it in the comments down below. Today's been a great day. I danced in the rain and now it doesn't even look like it rained outside. This is what we're gonna do today. And I wanted to give you guys some tips along the way, as I always do. However, I'm just gonna kind of break things down a little bit more for you. I'm gonna clean my bathroom in my bedroom. I'm not gonna clean the entire bathroom because this is why I think people get overwhelmed sometimes. It's a good idea to try to cut your cleaning up and break it up into zones, for instance, or into rooms. I do not clean the mirrors every day. I do not clean out the bathtub and the shower every day. I spray and walk away. So let me show you the products that I use. The product that I use to spray and walk away in my bathtub and in my shower, and let's talk about the bathtub really quick. We don't use it that often, so I just clean it when it's dirty. And it gets dusty, really, really dusty, you will see, but I just clean it as needed. But the shower, this is what I use. This is what I spray and walk away. Also, don't make a rule on how many times you clean your shower or how many times you clean your sink. If you see toothpaste in the sink, clean it out immediately. If you leave it there, you're going to have to put a bunch of muscle into getting it clean. And upon first glance, the shower does not look dirty. It doesn't look dirty because that spray really works well. The goal for my channel is to help you keep your house tidy throughout the week. On the weekend, you can just live your best life, spend time with your friends, family, pets, whoever, whatever, just do you and don't look back. Now, all of that stuff, obviously, that I sprayed, all the method sprayer has dried, so I'm gonna go over top of it with vinegar. Rule number one, when you're cleaning your shower, start at the top and work your way down. To all of the people who have clicked on my video for the first time, welcome. Thank you so much for spending your time with me today. I hope you get a bunch of tips and some laughter. On your way out, please hit the like button and subscribe. Join my YouTube family. We're called the Keep Up Crew. So let's talk about the doors for a second. Doors are not the easiest things to clean or keep clean for that matter. So what I'll do when I get in the shower today, after I'm finished, I will clean off the shower doors from the inside. Now the outside, I will do right now. Done. Literally took me 8 minutes. 8 minutes out of an entire day is not bad. Hello. The next thing that I'm gonna clean is the mirror, and then the entire bathtub needs cleaned as well. Cause I'm falling and I don't know how to move, and I'm really trying. There is a lot of dust in here, but that's okay. Turn the water on. Going down. We've been here for a while. And just like that, the bathtub is clean. So again, make sure you start all the way at the top from your mirrors down, if you have mirrors or whatever it is that you have here. Work your way down, clean all of the edges, and then, the entire bathtub. So the inside is good. However, there is an outside to the bathtub that needs to be cleaned as well. That I do when I have cleaning products out, I think to myself, where else in this space that I'm in can I use these cleaning products to clean something else? Don't forget to stream Kim at Home when you are cleaning. So the next thing that I will be cleaning with the glass cleaner will be that TV. And then the mirrors behind my bed that I cannot wait to remove. I just have not removed them yet. You will definitely want to dust prior to cleaning off the TV. However, I already dusted. How about that? I dusted yesterday. Within 30 minutes that I have gotten things in my bathroom taken care of and my bedroom. So I'm winning, okay? I am winning. Imagine doing this every single day, just little things here and there. On the weekend, all you have to do is tidy up the mess that you've made, and then you just start over again during the week. Really, it's all about creating a routine. Let's talk baseboards. A lot of people don't like to clean their baseboards. They feel like they have to get on their hands and knees to do so. You don't have to. Here are all my pieces to my baseboard buddy. Here's my cloth. Here's another cloth. Need you by my side. All I need is directions. This is what we ended up with. I don't think it's too bad. So after cleaning your baseboards, it's a really good idea to be sure that you vacuum your floor, because now all of that dust that kind of trickled away from this is on your floor. Now I'm gonna go around and do this everywhere else. Where do we go from here? Show me, show me. Yeah. All I need is directions. start at the top down and the dust falls, right? So then I had to dust this off as well. I love my black accent wall. Moving right along to my half bath downstairs, I really just want to do a quick speed clean in here.
I'm laying down to compile it. Oh no, I see you only.
My bathroom is nice and disinfected. I started at the top and worked my way down. I just need to get a new towel for down here. I want to touch on toilet paper really quickly. When you put your toilet paper on the roll, it's so much easier to put it like this so that you can just pull it down rather than over the top. Other thing about toilet paper, it's all preference, but I'm a woman. I like it to be soft, so I use soft toilet paper. I just wanted to put that out there. When you're in the bathroom though, the best way to go is with disposable products. There are so many times where I see people clean out the inside of their sink with a cleaning cloth and then they wipe everything else, and I'm like, whoa, baby, your space is getting contaminated. That is just gross. So the best thing to do is use disposables if it's in your budget. You could always go to the Dollar Tree and get a pack of paper towels for like $1.25. Now we're in the kitchen. I will give you a look around, but the first thing that I want to do is put the dishwasher. I want to unload the dishwasher first. Wash your hands, because you know the dishes in the dishwasher are clean, so why would you put it away with dirty hands? That just doesn't make any sense.
Oh no, and they tell me to move on, 'cause I deserve more, but still I wanna choose you, yeah. Now choose, you know exactly how to look like this, holding in a back.
Next thing on my agenda, first of all, I had to take a break because I'm hungry all the time. And I made myself a grilled cheese sandwich. Shout out to all the grilled cheese lovers in the building. Leave me a comment down below. Anyway, I have to clean my kitchen. My kitchen looks very clean on the surface. See how clean everything looks? Yeah, everything looks real clean, right? But it ain't, because everything needs wiped down. Like everything needs wiped down, and the dishes in the sink need to be done. A lot of times people think that, you know, your house is clean and it really isn't. I don't know if you guys can see that. That's not clean. It's dusty and dirty. That needs cleaned off. And then if you go over to the table has dirt. You can't really tell on camera, but it does have like a whole bunch of debris on it that needs wiped off. And we're not even going to talk about the last time the cabinets were wiped off, but we're going to handle all of that today. When washing your dishes, be sure to wash the entire dish, and the entire dish does include handles. Fun fact about me, I am a sucker for self-care and self-help books. I'm reading this book and I want to share one of the passages with you. I am whole, even in the midst of struggles and hardships that feel like they can break me. I am learning that even during moments of adversity and confusion, I still have the power to own my journey and heal. Being ashamed of my truth isn't an option. My stories are mine. I will not be ashamed of my path or the things that threaten to shatter me. I am stronger than my hurt. I really hope that blesses someone.
Yeah, wish we could stay here forever. Each day you keep getting better. Gotta love you close. And I need you close. I need you close. Yeah. Na 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 na. Every day, look away. Na 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 na.
I will be cleaning off the cabinets with the yellow Mr. Clean disinfectant.
Look away. We could be good friends. We could be good friends.
Let me show you what this water is looking like. I'm not even finished with all of the cabinets, so this is only half the cabinets that I'm showing you the water of. Imagine the entire cabinets being cleaned off with that bucket of water. That, first of all, would have been gross because I've just been spreading, you know, dirt everywhere, but the water was pretty dirty, which is why I poured that water out and I just started all over again with clean water. Don't forget to wipe off your handles when you are cleaning off your cabinets.
We could be good friends, yeah. We could be good friends. We could be good friends, yeah. Each time you leave me, it's harder.
final consensus is the water is disgustingly dirty. That all came off of my cabinet. The cabinets are looking really good. They're nice and clean. I feel like they're an entirely different color. This is what came in the mail today, another Redmond product. First of all, let's talk about how pretty it is. It's very, very pretty. So these are the containers that hold the food that you are blending up. There's 2 of them. I'm glad that they sent 2. That's amazing. And then this can attach to either of these. How dope is this? I can have smoothie cubes. I'm gonna get these washed up really quick so that we can make a smoothie.
Berries, blueberries, and raspberries.
Yeah, so it's a triple berry medley. I'm excited about it. And my daughter is gonna make the smoothie. The safety feature on the cord is on the plug. That's pretty cool.
We could be good friends. We could be good friends.
The lid is on. So here we are right here with the different speeds. Look how cute that is though. Like, this is really aesthetically pleasing. Again, I really like working with Redmond. They have amazing appliances for the kitchen, and also this is an honest review. So what we decided to do is put a banana in there because Karia likes bananas in her smoothies. If you're interested in this product, please be sure to check out the description box. I have a coupon code down there and the link to where you can purchase this on Amazon. Taste test. Tastes good?
This is good, Brie. I make them better than you.
Shout out to Brie, who's not here to make the smoothies. Karia took your place, girl. That's so good, like for real. Let's talk about Redmond really quick. They have the best little appliances, and let me tell you something, they're really pretty too. I specifically got this one because it kind of matches my kitchen, you know, being that it's like an off-white. And let's talk about the cleanup. I'll show you really quickly. Totally easy cleanup. Sometimes it's hard to get Karia to eat a lot of fruit. So, you know, doing it this way, she'll eat it because she can make it herself. It was really easy to use. We didn't have to look at the instructions, and y'all know, if you've been here for a while, Kim always looks at instructions 12 times. So this was really awesome. Different color options. This one was really, really pretty as well. Thank you so much to Redmond for sending this to me. I truly appreciate it. Make sure you guys go check them out. They're gonna get an amazing review again from me because it's just something so simple and easy to use. There's not a whole bunch of parts that you have to have with it, and you can take it on the go. New one, and here's the old one. New, old. Thank you again for watching. Bye guys.